Hello everyone! Ang food ko for today is ginataang kamote na may saging, gabi, tsaka bilanghoy. Ayan, ito yung mga pagkain sa probinsya, guys. Hindi ko na natin itong saging. Yung tabi siya sakto lang. Ito naman kamote. Kamote. Wow. Ang sarap. Ito naman bilanghoy, guys. May bilanghoy. Ang sarap. Mas perfect siya pag gintang bilanghoy. Perfect ng lasa. Sabat ko tuloy guys si bilanghoy. Ito naman gabi, guys. Wow. Ang sarap lahat. Pwede naman ito maubos, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok. If you want to miss something, please click the yellow basket in this video and go to my TikTok shop. Bye!